would like to request Sachin Sharma sir to please come forward to address the gathering.
Happy evening to everybody. Can I have an energetic happy evening from everybody? Yes, heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Kumail Abbas, and yes, a very powerful word, yes, trust, for giving me this opportunity. And amidst teachers, educators, academicians, and dignitaries, it's an honor. It's a very big honor. And I've been given about 7 minutes. Last 5 years, I've been doing a lot of research about our mind, our brain. So teachers are here. So teachers, do you demand your students to have focus and concentration? Do you ask them? Do you do that? How many of you ask your teachers? You ask, right? You say them, my dear child, where is your focus? Why don't you concentrate, isn't it? And parents, we do that also, right, isn't it? But I have a question for all the teachers, all the educators. Do we actually teach them how to really focus and concentrate? We teach them mathematics, we teach them different skills, we teach them science, we teach them yoga, but do we really teach them how to actually focus and concentration? Do we do that? Not really, isn't it? Yeah, but we are giving them a lot of material for their intellectual quotient, that's the IQ, but what about the rest? So I specialize in this particular area where I train the brain. So I am not much of a speaker, you would have figured it out by now, and I'm more of a trainer. So can I involve all of you in some activity? Let's train our brain. How to have better focus and concentration. How many of you are ready? Say yes. Come on guys, more energy. Say yes. We've been sitting like this for a long time. Come on, one energetic yes. Say yes. So the brain is divided into two parts. One is our brain, what you can call it is the hardware, and the software is the mind. Okay, if I have a phone, the phone will work on its own without the software? We need the software, correct? No, a laptop. We need what? Hardware and software. So let's talk about hardware. What are the parts when you talk about in a laptop or a phone? What we can call it as hardware? Hard disk, camera, motherboard. See, these are all hardware. What are the softwares in a laptop? Antivirus is a software, Windows is our operating software, or a Mac. And in phones, Android and iOS, correct? So now, my question is, let us say, if we upgrade our software, but we forget to upgrade our hardware, what happens? What will happen to the phone? Man hangs, isn't it? So let's do some exercises. When I'm talking about phone and the computer, I'm talking about our brain. Our brain is the hardware and our mind is our software. So in schools and colleges, I've noticed that we do a lot for the software. So much of information, problem solving, decision making is what we do. But what do we do for our hardware? Not much, isn't it? So if you have to build muscles, strong muscles, where do you go? We go to gym. We go to Ganesh, we go Ganapati, stay fit gym. But to make our brain strong, a powerful brain, sharper brain, where do we go? What do we do? Spiritual, lovely, what else? What are the things we can do to make our brain strong? Meditation is one, amazing. Then what else? Lovely, lovely there. You know, that's an amazing one. Reading books and so many other things like that, isn't it? So we are going to do some simple stuff. Some of you must have heard about it called as Neurobics and Brain Gym. You've heard about that? Neurobics and Brain Gym. Okay. So these are simple, fun, and easy ways to increase your mental energy very quickly. We are going to do some of them. So shall we get started? Yeah, I've got only about now, how much? 3 more minutes. Okay. So everybody keep your hands like this. Yeah. Okay, clap. Nose and ear. One nose. You can have any one of them, okay? Yeah. Clap. The other way. Some of you are searching where's the nose. Yeah, let's do this more. This might seem very simple, isn't it? And it might look like it's a physical exercise, but did you notice that you need a ton of focus and concentration? So let's do it. Come on. Some people are figuring it out. Where is my nose? Is it in the right place? Yeah. So this is a simple one. Okay. Let's do another even much more simpler one. Okay. Keep like this. 5 and L. Okay, now obviously we're going to switch. 5 and L, yeah. There's nothing wrong, go easy to begin with. So this is what I do. I teach this, I teach a lot of activities to kids, and I see immediately their focus and concentration is much more higher. A few more? Guys, I can't hear that. Come on, nice, yes, fabulous, yes. Okay, this is thumb and pinky. This is a nice one. You master this, anybody fools around and says, do this, okay? Yeah, so thumb and pinky on one side. This is the pinky one, okay? Close, other side. Thumb and pinky, thumb and pinky, thumb and pinky, yeah. Okay, there are 36 of them. Go to our site, Superb Humans it is. Our YouTube channel, Superb Humans, SUPERBHUMANS. And there are 36 of them. We teach this to students and we see incredible. We see children who were failing throughout the year. And teachers had said, coach, what do we do? Parents, I can't understand, and we teach them this stuff, and suddenly it unlocks them, and they can do amazing things. Let's do one more. Okay, this is a rabbit. This is a rabbit, okay? And so these are what of a rabbit, the ears of the rabbit, and this is a gun, okay? I'm practicing Jainism, so we're not going to kill, just go behind it, okay? Yeah, sir, I'm a Jain myself. Yeah, so in Jainism, we practice this. Okay, so this is gun and rabbit, so switch. Again. Yeah, Ganapati sir is going to include a new curriculum from body gym to brain gym. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, one more. 2 and 3. This is 2 and 3. This is very easy. 2 and 3, 3 and 2. 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 Studies have shown, research have shown, when you make children do this, teachers, we have best teacher awards here, and you've been doing incredible amount of job. My mom is a teacher, and we understand how important it is. See, during our time, the amount of studies we did, and today children, what do they do? Huge. During our times, 70-80% was good, right? Our parents will go and give sweets. My child got a distinction. Today, 95 is a little less, isn't it? In fact, 98, 99 is the need. And the amount they have to study a lot. So I realize when children do this, 5 minutes, just before a class, their mental alertness is higher, they're able to absorb. So we are doing a lot on the part, improving the cognitive skills, but when it comes to improving our hardware, we are doing very, very little. And somebody said, meditation, and Akila ma'am, she's still here. Yeah, she's the best yoga teacher she got. These are the things actually which help our brain to become much more denser. So neurogenesis, neuroplasticity, now studies have shown that today, that if we have to improve our brain capacity, neurobics, neurogenesis, these are very, very simple activities. Ma'am is still doing it. Lovely. It's so much fun. And can you believe, children love it. Children enjoy these. These are very simple and fun activities. So my time's up. We'll do a last one. Last one, ready? Guys, come on, energy. Yes. As I told you, I'm not much of a speaker. I'm more of a trainer. Okay, this is 2 and 2. These two. And these two. Change. Now I'm just showing off. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much for all the dignitaries for giving me this valuable time. Teachers, I request that please learn this brain gym. It's very simple. There are 36 such exercises. There are many of them. There are also thinking caps and all the things. And you will immediately see the way they absorb. And it'll become much more. See, it's simple. When we have a farmland, we plow it, we do it, we prepare it better. So obviously, the growth will be much more better. It's about preparing our brain so that the children receive it much more quickly. They learn much more faster. And that is what we want to do, isn't it? Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you. Thank you, Yash.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.